Mud, spilled drinks, sand, snow, and daily grime can absolutely destroy your car's interior. And once that factory carpet is stained or soaked, there's no going back. If you're tired of constantly cleaning your floors or worrying every time someone gets in with dirty shoes, this video is going to save you time and money. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 car floor mats for all weather that actually protect your vehicle year-round. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more honest automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best available deals, and drop a comment sharing which floor mats you're currently using or planning to buy. Starting at number 5, we have the Motor Trend FlexTough floor mats. These mats are designed with advanced performance rubber polymers that are tested for extreme conditions to ensure they do not crack, split, or deform. They are built to provide maximum all-weather protection against snow, rain, and mud. The FlexTough mats feature deep dish channels engineered to trap water, road salt, mud, and sand, helping to keep your vehicle's carpet clean. They are trimmed to fit, allowing you to customize them to match your vehicle's floor contours, and they are designed to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. In real-world use, the Motor Trend FlexTough mats are a fantastic choice for drivers who want affordable, reliable protection without getting into custom-molded pricing. The flexible material makes installation simple, and the trim-to-fit design gives you a surprisingly tailored look if you take your time cutting them properly. They're especially great for commuters and families dealing with unpredictable weather. One minor downside is that trimming requires a bit of patience for a perfect fit, but once installed correctly, they offer impressive protection for the price. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty PVC Faux Rubber Car Floor Mats. These mats are constructed from durable PVC faux rubber designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. They provide all-weather protection against spills, dirt, mud, and debris, helping preserve your vehicle's interior. The mats feature a non-slip backing to help keep them securely in place, and they can be trimmed for a more customized fit in a wide range of vehicles. Their simple functional design makes them suitable for sedans, SUVs, and trucks. What makes these Amazon Basics mats appealing is their straightforward value. They're designed for drivers who want dependable coverage at a budget-friendly price. The heavy-duty PVC material is easy to clean. Just hose them off and you're good to go. They're a smart option for work vehicles, student cars, or anyone who needs practical protection without worrying about brand prestige. The only small drawback is that the material feels slightly less premium compared to higher-end options, but for basic all-weather defense, they absolutely get the job done. Coming in at number 3 are the YITAMOTOR floor mats. These floor mats are custom-fit for specific vehicle models and are designed using advanced 3D laser scanning technology to ensure precise coverage. They are constructed from durable, non-toxic, and odorless TPE material, providing all-weather protection against rain, snow, mud, and spills. The mats feature raised edges and textured surfaces to effectively trap liquids and debris while preventing them from spreading onto the carpet. They are also designed with anti-slip backing to keep them securely in place. The YITAMOTOR mats really step things up with their custom-fit approach. Because they're tailored to specific vehicle models, you get edge-to-edge coverage that looks and feels factory-installed. The TPE material is flexible yet sturdy, and it handles extreme temperatures well without cracking. These are ideal for drivers who want a more refined look, along with serious protection, especially in regions with heavy rain or snow. One minor drawback is that you must ensure you order the correct model for your vehicle, but once you do, the fit and finish are excellent. At number 2, we have the Husky Weatherbeater floor mats. These mats are custom molded for specific vehicle applications to provide a precise fit. They are engineered using a proprietary rubberized material that is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions while maintaining flexibility. The Weatherbeater design features a form-fit edge that creates a raised barrier along the door jamb, helping to contain mud, snow, and liquids. The mats also include stay-put cleats to help keep them securely anchored in place. Husky liners have built a strong reputation for durability, and the Weatherbeater line lives up to it. The raised edges are especially effective at containing messy spills and winter slush, making them perfect for drivers in extreme climates. They feel rugged, substantial, and built to last for years of daily use. These mats are ideal for truck owners, SUV drivers, and anyone who regularly deals with tough conditions. The only slight downside is that they come at a higher price point than universal mats, but the long-term durability easily justifies the investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the 3W floor mats. These floor mats are custom fit for specific vehicle models using precise digital laser scanning to ensure maximum coverage. They are made from durable TPE material that is non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly. The mats are designed to provide all-weather protection against rain, snow, mud, and spills, with raised edges and a textured anti-slip surface to contain debris and liquids. Their design is intended to match the interior contours of your vehicle for a seamless look. What puts 3W floor mats at the top of this list is their balance of premium fit, durability, and comfort. They combine the tailored precision of high-end liners with a refined appearance that complements modern interiors. The material feels strong yet flexible, and the coverage is excellent from edge to edge. These mats are perfect for drivers who want top-tier protection without sacrificing style. The only minor drawback is that availability depends on your exact vehicle model, but if they're available for yours, they're an outstanding choice. So there you have it, the top 5 car floor mats for all weather that can truly protect your vehicle from daily messes and harsh seasonal conditions. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly coverage, a rugged heavy-duty solution, or a premium custom fit, there's an option here that fits your needs and your vehicle. If this review helped you narrow down your decision, make sure you subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. Check the links in the description for the best deals available right now, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Protect your interior today, and I'll see you in the next video.